Hay que sufrir para disfrutar en cada partido.
Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of fate, I hid as bloody, but unbound. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years binds. Men shall find me unafraid. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishment the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul.
Here I am, this is me. I come into this world so wild and free. Here I am, so young and strong, right here in the place where I belong. It's a new world, it's a new start. It's alive with the beating of a young heart. It's a new day in a new land, and it's waiting for me. Here I am. Oh, it's a new world, it's a new start. It's alive with the beating of a young heart. Yeah, it's a new day in a new land, and it's waiting for me. Here I
Listen up now, a few of you have been here before. A few of you have not. Everybody wrote us off. There are a few out there who do still believe in you. If you'll never give up on you. You go back out on the field, those are the people I want in your minds. Those are the people I want in your hearts. Every man at some point in his life is going to lose a battle. He's going to fight and he's going to lose. But what makes him a man is that in the midst of that battle, he does not lose himself. This game is not over. This battle is not over. One thing we've all got to do tonight is we've got to focus. The game plan, the fundamentals, gentlemen, moving the sticks, that's what we're going to be out there doing. And listen, fellas, there's a joy to this game, is there not?
Yes, sir.
there's a passion and a pleasure to this game. There's a reason why we're all out here. Other than the fact of the pride that it gives us and the respect that it demands, we love to play the game. So let's go out there and let's have fun tonight. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Because tomorrow, if you give 100% of yourself tonight, people are going to look at you differently. People are going to think of you differently. And I promise you, you're going to look and think differently about yourselves. This is the game that people are going to talk about for years to come. This is the game you are going to talk about. There's not a single person in this room that's ever going to be the same. You be proud of yourselves. I want everyone's friends and family to be in here to hear this, gentlemen. I have never been more proud of a team than I am right now. I am in awe of each and every one of you gentlemen. Let me just ask you one question. Can you play like champions?
Yes, sir!
Clear eyes, full hearts.
Can't lose.
Clear eyes, full hearts.
Can't lose.
Clear eyes, full hearts.
Can't lose!
Let's go play some football! Let's go, baby! Because, gentlemen, you are champions. So let's hear it one more time. Together. Clear eyes, full hearts.
Can't lose!
Let's go!